All right, here's where I'm going to show you how to use the salad spinner to dry your strawberries in half the time. Right here, I'll go ahead and take the towel and I'll tuck in the towel between the basket and the strawberries themselves. That way they don't raise to the top and destroy your strawberries. The top of the salad spinner has these grips that collide with the basket in order to continue spinning it as fast as it does. So that towel is to prevent any damage. And it's that easy, guys. You just spin it, you take it out. I'll pull it about like 4 or 5 times before I decide I feel like it's dry enough. I'll go ahead and test it out. Now, just as a precaution, I still use towels after that to dry whatever is left that didn't get to fall off, or that fall off at the end onto another strawberry, just to be safe, because I don't want to ruin my chocolate. It's a pretty important step. And if salad spinners are not for you guys, let's do the hand towel method. The hand towel method is super easy. I'll grab the towel and I'll very lightly pat on the strawberry, and while also doing that, holding on to the toothpick and inserting the toothpick into the middle. While if it's a heavier strawberry, I would also recommend putting 2 toothpicks, just so you have more stability, more of a grip while you're drying them with a hand towel, and then just setting them aside at a point where you know you'll be easier. Well, you know it's going to be easier to grab.